Hello, I am Liliana. I'm from Colombia. I'm secretary and 26-year old. I like playing soccer, watching TV. I hate cooking and currently I study industrial engineering. This is my daily routine. Usual I get at 6 a.m. Then I take shower. After that I have breakfast and I wash the dishes around 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. I do work at university. After that, I have lunch. Next, I go to work at 12 p.m. Then I around to my apartment at 8 p.m. and after that I have the dinner. Next, I take shower again and then I watching TV and finally I go to sleep. On the weekend, my routine change. The Sunday I rest. Sometimes I get at 11 a.m. Then I have breakfast. Next, I wash the clothes. Manual, I clean the apartment. After that, I have lunch. Then I sleep 2 hours. And finally, I get out and prepare things for the next day. Thank you.